What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install new bulbs on your fog lights. So this is how it looks, the normal halogen bulbs of the fog lights. You can see this is daytime. So in the daytime this is how it looks. Now I'm going to change it for the new yellow bulbs, and this is how it looks on the night, the fog lights. So to change the bulb, you only need to come here from this part of the car, right here under the fog lamp. Here you are going to see this plastic piece. You need to take out this clip, this one right here. I do not have a clip right here, but here you are going to have a clip, and the two clips that are behind this flap, one here and one here. Let me show you those two clips, and for the other side it's the exact same thing. You need to take out those four clips, and then you can change the bulb of the fog lamp. All four clips. Be careful because this plastic part is going to drop, and it's going to drop a lot of soil, so be careful. If you have your face under this, be careful because this is going to drop a lot of soil. So after taking out that plastic piece, you are going to see this part right here, and you are going to see the fog lamp, that is this one. And to change the bulb, we need to take out three little bolts, this one right here, this one, and this one, and then you are going to see where's the bulb when you take out this that cap. So after you take out this cap, you are going to see this. First of all, here you can see the this is the bulb right here. First of all, you are going to disconnect the bulb from this cable. You need to disconnect it from here. Then you are going to unscrew a little bit this bulb right here, and this is going to let free the bulb, and you can take it out and take the take this and replace it. So it results that you need to take out all the bulb that was right there. Here you can see the bulb that I took off. Now I'm going to compare it with the new one. Here you can see the new one. This is the old one. You can see it has that glass yellow. It has yellow glass. Here you can see it. And never touch the glass of this type of bolt, because you are going to damage the bolt. So right now I'm going to put the new bulb. So I just connected the new bulb. You can see it's the same exact thing as the old one. And remember to check this rubber seal, that you have the rubber seal, because that prevents water to enter the dome, this dome. And yes, now I'm going to close again this thing, and I'm going to show you the difference between this one and the old one. So here you can see the difference between the new one, the yellow one, and the old one, the normal one. In the night I'm gonna show you also the difference. And here also you can see the difference. This one have a translucent glass, and this one have a yellow glass. So here you can see both of the fog lights are yellow. Yes, now I'm going to show you how it looks on the night. And this is how it looks on the night the yellow fog lights. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.